Okay, so this is Monday's math. It's lesson 2-8, page 50 and 51. What you need to do is look through the top again from 50 to 51, read across, see if you can figure out what it is they're talking about. Um, Read really carefully, look at their example, and look at the table. And then I'm going to show you an example of what they're talking about. And then what I want you to do is to do both of these pages. And then tomorrow on Tuesday, we'll have a meeting together for math and go over the assignment. And then you can do some more work on that because they start you out learning and then they get you to writing them. This is basically what they're talking about. Let's say that you babysit, okay, and you charge $15 an hour to babysit. And so B will be babysit. And these we babysit 4 hours, we babysit 5 hours the next day. So B, every time we babysit, we multiply by, what did we say we're charging? 15. So if we babysit for 4 hours, we would do B is 4, so 4 times 15 is 60. We would earn $60. Okay. And then the next day, let's say you babysat for 5 hours, and that would be babysit times 15 because you charge $15 an hour. And that would be 5 times 15, which is 75. Okay. That's the basic. That's the most basic thing. But now let's say that you're saving up for something by babysitting. So, and you're saving money and you already have $125 saved. So you would add that to your babysitting money. So then what you would do is you would say babysit times 15. So 4 hours times 15, we know that's 60. But then we're going to add to it 125 to see how much money we have. So that would be 185. See how this is going? And then, all right, so the next day you babysit for 5 hours. So that would be babysit times 15, 5 times 15, which is 75. Then we'd add the 75 to the 125, and that would be 2. Wow, you're raking in a lot of money. So that's what they're talking about. You have an amount of money, you have another activity that you're doing, and then you're either adding or subtracting. Here's another example. Sometimes it's taking away. Let's say, again, you babysit. That's your B. You babysit 6 and then maybe 8 hours. So we know it's going to be B times 15 again. So it's B times 15. But you have to take the bus when you babysit. So when you babysit, you take the bus, and let's say the bus costs you $2 every time you ride the bus. So if it's $2 every time you ride the bus, you would earn babysitting money, but then you would have to take away $2. And so this would be your formula. So let's say you babysit for 6 hours. 6 times 15 is 90. And then 90 minus $2 would be $88. See how that's working? Okay, let's say the next time you babysit for 8 hours, and 15 times 8 is 120, but you have to pay $2 for the bus, so it's $118. Okay, see how that's working? That's what this is about. You have to figure out the algebraic expression and then just apply B or X or whatever it is. And that's how it works. And yes, I used a calculator, and you may use a calculator on this too. So I want you to go ahead and look across 2-8, read carefully, do this together. You can work together on this, put your brains together if you wish, solve all of the work on pages 50 and 51. Check in with me if you need to, but we will go over it together tomorrow on Tuesday and see how you do. And then we'll do the worksheet, which really tests to see if you know what you're doing. Okay, so again, get in touch with me if you need help, but that's basically how it is. Talk to you guys later. Bye.